Revamp your entryway with cutting-edge 2025 design trends. Your entryway is much more than just a passage into your home. It's the first impression that sets the tone for your entire living space. As guests cross your threshold, this area becomes a canvas for showcasing your personal style and the latest design innovations. In 2025, entryway designs are taking bold strides toward modernity, emphasizing a blend of luxury, functionality, and individuality. Our video will guide you through the process of transforming your entryway into a captivating introduction to your home, seamlessly incorporating 2025's most influential trends. One of the standout trends in 2025 is the shift towards sustainable materials, which not only have a smaller environmental footprint, but also add a natural elegance and warmth to your entryway. Imagine walking into a space graced with reclaimed wood accents, complemented by eco-friendly bamboo or cork flooring. These materials are not only chic but provide a welcoming ambience that instantly combines aesthetic beauty with environmental consciousness. Additionally, the minimalist Scandinavian approach continues to influence designs, where less is more. This year, the emphasis is on quality over quantity, choosing statement pieces that captivate the eye without overcrowding the area. Think about sleek furniture with clean lines and multifunctional elements, such as benches that double as storage units, all contributing to a clutter-free and efficient space. Color palettes in 2025 are veering towards soft, neutral tones juxtaposed with bold, expressive pops of color. This trend is perfect for creating an inviting atmosphere upon entry without overwhelming the senses. Picture a calming backdrop of earthy tops or creamy whites, enhanced with vibrant artwork or a strikingly colored statement door. Such elements not only add personality, but also elevate the space to a luxurious level. paired with innovative lighting solutions, such as modern LED fixtures or smart lighting systems. You can effortlessly adjust the mood of your entryway to impress guests or create a cozy evening glow. Technology is playing an increasingly pivotal role in modern entryway designs. Home automation features have become crucial, with smart locks and video doorbells adding both convenience and security. Imagine a seamless entry where lighting, temperature, and even indoor aromas are automated to align with your daily schedule. This integration of technology not only enhances the functionality of the space, but also adds a luxurious high-tech flair that has become synonymous with modern living. Incorporating personal elements is also paramount in 2025. Ensuring your entryway represents your unique taste. This might be through displaying curated art, rotating seasonal decor, or incorporating family keepsakes that tell a story. An entryway, gallery wall, or a custom console table can serve as a focal point that connects visitors to the essence of your home life. Finally, the essence of an entryway as a multifunctional space has never been more crucial. As lifestyles become busier, the demand for areas that accommodate quick transitions from home to the outside world is rising. Charging stations for electronics, organized storage solutions with hidden compartments for shoes, and coat racks that maintain a sleek look are practical additions you may consider. This video will walk you through all these trends and more, providing a comprehensive guide to remodel your entryway. By merging style with practicality, you can create a welcoming environment that fascinates visitors and complements the luxurious and forward-thinking design standards of 2025, ensuring that each entrance into your home is as inspiring as the life within it.